Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Werner 150B aluminum step stool. As you can see, it's a two-step stool. I have had this thing forever. Very, very long time. It's one of those things that's kind of been passed down, and as you can see, it's definitely been put to use quite a bit. Although they still make these, they're some of the best step stools around. They're really, really solid. And I just kind of got it for simple tasks in the garage, basically being able to like reach up high and get stuff off the walls, off of the toolboxes, and my cupboards right here and everything. So, it's definitely smaller than our bigger roof ladder. But yeah, just for simple reaching tasks. That's kind of why I have it. So I'll talk a little bit about what makes it so good. The top of the ladder, as you can see right here, is made out of basically like a molded plastic. The rest of it's strong aluminum, very, very, very tough, very sturdy, not really like pliable in any way. It's very, very firm and stiff. This makes it great. Actually, for the top though, that is made with this plastic, as it is non-slip. As you can see, there are grooves on the very top as well, so it's much safer than if the whole thing was aluminum. You have really good traction, especially when you have shoes on. So you don't have to worry about like slipping or anything. You can also see that there are bits of traction to little grooves that have been cut in horizontally on the steps, and so essentially you can step on these. You get the same kind of non-slip ordeal. So even though these or the stair parts of these are made out of aluminum, they're also very safe and non-slip as well. It opens up very, very easily, which is one thing I love about it, and closes. It doesn't close as easily. You really have to kind of like hit these things once you get it closed, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Don't really want to do it with one hand. But the cool thing about this is that they have included these little metal, I guess like safety, safety folders. I don't even know what you would call them. Essentially, what it does is they're there to make sure that, when you get it folded up and knocked up, again, really hard to do with one hand, but basically when you fold it up, it's not going to pinch your fingers or anything. Get your fingers stuck in there and pinch it in between the metal, so it's nice. It just makes things a little safer. If you ever pinch your fingers on the ladder, it's a very common thing, so they kind of thought about that and thought it out and made it so essentially it doesn't. Overall, the ladder feels very, very sturdy. As you can see, there are also these little plastic feet made from the same molded material that this is up here, and those are on the feet. As you can see, they're on each foot. Basically, those help not only make it a little more sturdy, but make it so it doesn't slip on your floor nor scratch your floor. And as you can see, we laid down the carpet in our garage in like our workspace in here. So, we don't have to worry about that much really. But if you're using this indoors, it's nice because you don't have to worry if you have like hardwood floors or something. It's not going to scratch up your hardwood. As you can see, the bottom step too even adds a little bit more to the sturdiness. You have these double braced on each side. Again, it's just adding a little bit more of just stability to the overall build. It also has the same two in the back right there. Those make it even more sturdy. Overall, this thing's about 2 feet high. I think maybe give or take about 2 feet high. Very, very lightweight, which is great. You can move it around from room to room. It's not too difficult to move around. When it does fold up, it's very portable, which is another great thing. You can fold it up just like this little chair over here. Basically stick it, in the corner, and you're kind of good to go. I'm 160 pounds. I've never felt like this thing is, not stable when I'm standing on it. It's great. I think it's rated for 300 pounds overall, so, if you're a little heavier, then this thing should be totally fine for you as well. Yeah, this is great. Great little ladder. I would highly recommend it. Again, this is the Werner 150B aluminum step stool. And yeah, go ahead and check it out for all your garage uses. Alright guys, take it easy.